Welcome to Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 95. 10th house or Dasham Bhav or Karma Bhav of a birth chart is seen for career, professional life, government as well as private jobs, business, etc. Fame, respect, status and authority earned by the person in professional life as well as in society are also seen from 10th house. 10th house is also about professional achievements. It is seen for top dignitaries, high officials in organizations and power. 10th house is 7th from 4th house. So it is a place where you have to deal with people other than family. It is about the outside world. It is like a battlefield where you have to use your own skills and strategies to deal with people who are by and large unknown and unfamiliar. 10th house is also seen for father's role in personal and professional life of the person. Mars in 10th house of a birth chart in Vedic astrology. What type of results can be expected when Mars is present in 10th house of a birth chart? In Vedic astrology, Mars is the commander among 9 planets. Mars is a great soldier and fine administrator. Mars stands for bravery, courage, energy, authority, strong willpower, and loyalty. Mars is never ready to succumb to pressure. Mars is tough, stubborn, and egoist. If you compare the characteristics of 10th house with those of Mars, you will notice 10th house is the perfect place for Mars to showcase its full potential. According to Vedic astrology, Sun and Mars gain directional strength, that is, they are Digbali, when placed in 10th house. It means Sun and Mars become naturally powerful if they are placed in 10th house of a horoscope. You can learn about Shadbal, the six-fold strength of planets in detail, in lesson Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 33. The link is provided in the description box. Thus, 10th house is the perfect place for a strong Mars to thrive. As a result, the person with Mars in 10th house is bold, energetic with strong willpower, action-oriented but authoritative, always ready to lead from front, possesses good administrative and leadership skills. He is hardworking, always ready to make efforts to achieve success. Person is professionally successful, financially sound, and also egoist. Person may be in police, armed forces, politics, or in administrative jobs in government or private sector. Person may be a businessman or may choose sports as career. Whatever may be the area of profession, the person has a very action-oriented and demanding job profile. These people are capable of rising high in professional life. A strong Mars in 10th house makes these people authoritative and egoist. They do not like to be controlled by others at workplace. On the contrary, they like to exercise authority and control. As a result, these people have professional rivals, but a strong Mars helps them to defeat their rivals. 10th house of a birth chart is also seen for father of the person. Mars in 10th house indicates father is also associated with profession involving Mars. Father has a strong influence on professional life of the person and supports him or her to achieve career goals. From 10th house, Mars aspects 4th house, Sukh Bhav. 4th house is mainly seen for family life, worldly comforts and mother. Presence of a strong Mars in 10th house indicates person has a good family life, has access to all worldly comforts, owns property, has good relations with mother. But due to the controlling and egoistic nature, these people want full authority over family members and in household matters. To uphold their authority, they are even ready to fight with family members and create unpleasant situations. If you have Mars in 10th house of your birth chart, Try to avoid such ugly situations at home. This approach will help you to enjoy all the good results related to 10th house and Mars. From 10th house, Mars also aspects 1st house, Lagna Bhav. So the inner and outer personality of the person is influenced by Mars. Mars also aspects 5th house, house of children. These people are blessed with good children, but they try to exercise full control over children. If 10th house of a birth chart is under the influence of benefics and Mars in 10th house is in Swarashi or Multrikon or in Uch Bhav, that is exalted, one can expect very good results related to 10th house. If in 10th house Mars is debilitated or under the influence of malefics, one cannot expect good results related to 10th house. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic Astrology Classes session 96.